Hello everyone, CN Roy this side. So if you are a student of IIT MBS, whether you are at foundation, diploma or any level, if you apply for a scholarship, education loan, student discounts, passport or a visa, you must have noticed that they demand a Bonafide certificate. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can avail this Bonafide certificate. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Here is the sample of a bona fide issued to one of the IIM BS student who is currently pursuing the foundation level of BS in data science and application for the purpose of education loan. They mention they mention the purpose. Don't worry, I will tell you how you can avail this for your own purpose. To apply for the bona fide certificate, you have to mail the IIT MBS support team. They will provide you a Google form link. Don't worry, I will attach this Google form link in the video description, and I will also provide this on my Telegram channel. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to the browser. So you can see how your application form for Bonafide Certificate of IIT Madras BS Degree looks like. Here they have clearly mentioned that they will accept the response received till 12 p.m. every Thursday for that week, and they will issue the certificate in the next 7 working days. Response received after 12 p.m. will be considered and will processed in the next week of Thursday. If you apply before Thursday, if you apply before the 12 p.m. of every Thursday, they will issue that certificate in the next 7 working days. In this Google form, you have to write your email ID, the official one of IITM BS degree, which you have received from your college. Next, you have to fill your IITM online degree roll number. If you aren't aware of your roll number, the first part of your email address is your roll number. Next, you have to tell your IITM degree course. And after that, you have to tell your current level in this course. Whether you are at a foundation, diploma, BSc or a BS level, you have to choose from this one. Next, you have to tell your name as per your ID card and your contact number. And then you have to upload the scanned copy of your ID card. The size of that file should be of 1 MB, and that should be in PDF or a image. By clicking on this one, you can upload that file. Here is the most important section. You have to tell them the purpose of applying for your bona fide certificate, whether if you are applying for a scholarship, education loan, participating in any events, if you want to avail the student discounts, whether you are going to pursue an internship, applying for a passport or a higher studies, or you are applying for a visa, you can just tell them. They will mention that purpose in that bona fide certificate. After submitting that Google form, within 7 working days, you will receive a mail that bona fide certificate is now available for download, and you can download it from the documents for download section on your dashboard. That will be available on your documents for download section. There you can easily download that bona fide certificate. That's all the info regarding this bona fide. Link to the Google form is in the description. If you find this video useful, kindly subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.